Welcome. If you want to make sure LinkedIn always asks for your permission before using your microphone, you're in the right place. Whether you're sending a voice message or joining a call, having control over your microphone settings is important for privacy and peace of mind. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to enable the Ask Every Time option for microphone permissions on LinkedIn. First, unlock your phone and head straight to the Settings app. This is where you can manage all the permissions for your installed apps. Next, scroll down and look for the section called Apps, or it might be named App Management depending on your device. Tap to open it. Here you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, scroll through the list until you find LinkedIn. Tap on the LinkedIn app to open its settings. Once you're in the LinkedIn app settings, look for the Permissions option. This is where you control what LinkedIn can access on your device. Inside Permissions, you'll see a list of different features like Camera, Contacts, and Microphone. Tap on Microphone. Here's the key step. Select Ask Every Time. By choosing this option, your phone will prompt you for permission each time LinkedIn tries to use your microphone. This gives you full control and ensures your microphone isn't accessed without your knowledge. That's it. You've now set LinkedIn to always ask before using your microphone. This is a great way to keep your device secure and your conversations private. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to these settings and adjust them at any time. Keeping your app permissions up to date is a smart habit, especially with apps you use for networking and professional communication. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Stay safe and see you in the next video.